Hi, my name is Apurva, and today I'm gonna share a very powerful chant. This will help you to manifest unexpected money within 3 days. But I request you, when you are happy or you have high vibes, then only do this particular spell. Once you are done, just forget about it and trust the universe and count your blessings. That is it. For the good of all and with harm to none, $5,000 is on its way to me. It belongs to me and is used how I choose. I thank the universe in advance and focus on the abundance I already have and the overflow of abundance on its way. I will be surprised at the speed and ease at which it manifests into my life. I expect the money to come to me within a few hours, but no more than 3 days, and so it is. So, this was the chant, and that is it. Now, enjoy your day. Thank you so much.